Hello, everyone. This is Teacher Ronnie again. How are you? Today, we are going to read Free Finance 2 for Kids, Topic Nine's fiction reader material, prepared by Teacher Sai. And this is about Leo's new soccer ball. Let us start reading. Leo received a new soccer ball for his birthday. He looked at the box and noticed that the ball was made in another country. He became curious and asked his father how the ball arrived in their city. His father explained, "The soccer ball is an import. Another country made it and it was brought here." Leo also learned that his country exports many products to other places. Farmers and factories send products to countries around the world. Later, Leo played soccer with his friends. He smiled and thought about how people in different countries work together to provide products for everyone. Leo realized that trade connects people even if they live far apart. For vocabulary, we have curious, wanting to know more. Birthday, day when a person was born. Soccer ball, ball used in soccer. Factory, place where things were made or place where things are made. Realize, understand something. Heart, separated by distance. For the reading questions, vocabulary number one, what does curious mean? Number two, what does realize mean? Retrieval, number three, what did Leo receive? Number four, where was the soccer ball made? Number five, what did Leo's father call the soccer ball? Inference, number six, why was Leo curious? Number seven, why did Leo think about other countries? Critical thinking, number eight, what imported product do you use every day? And answer key, we have vocabulary, number one, what does curious mean? Answer, wanting to know more. Number two, what does realize mean? Answer, to understand something. Retrieval, number three. What did Leo receive? Answer, a new soccer ball. Number four, where was the soccer ball made? Answer, in another country. Number five, what did Leo's father call the soccer ball? Answer, an import. Inference, number six, why was Leo curious? Answer, he wanted to know how the ball arrived. Number seven, why did Leo think about other countries? Answer, because people around the world help provide products. And the last one, critical thinking. Number eight, what imported product do you use every day? Answer, or simple answer, I use a phone made in another country. That's it for today. Thank you for reading with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on our next video. Bye bye.